Hello coders and developers. It's a delight to have you at gilgeekify Programming. My name is Saeed Kohansel, your guide in the realm of full-stack web development. This tutorial video demonstrates OTP code usage for account activation, a subset of PHP form handling. PHP form handling involves server-side receipt, validation, and processing of HTML form data. Typically, a user fills an HTML form and submits it, sending the data to a PHP file for processing via HTTP getOtpStringFromPost methods. Alright, I want to show you on this form how you can send OTP code inputs to the backend and be able to work with these values in PHP. To get the complete source code of this page, you can refer to the description. Let's examine the HTML structure of this form. In PHP, to send data from the front end to the back end, you should use the name attribute. And as you can see, I have specified from OTP-1 to OTP-6. Now, I will show you how you can receive these values in the back end. First, I am checking if the request method is post. Now, I'm displaying data from the $_post variable. You can use this to beauty print the $_post array for debugging purposes. In PHP, $_post is a superglobal variable which is used to collect form data after submitting an HTML form with post method. Let's check how this form sends us the input values. Well, based on the code I wrote, we see the values on this page. As you can see, these values have each been received separately from an input, so we can't use them properly. In this step, I want to write a function to solve this problem. I am defining a function to get the OTP string from the $_post array, which I have named getOtpStringFromPost. I'm initializing an empty array to hold the OTP values. I am looping through each expected field in the $_post array. The fields are named from OTP-1 to OTP-6. I'm creating new keys exactly like the attribute name structure inside the HTML form. Now, I'm checking if the field exists in the $_post array. And I am adding the value to the OTP array. In this step, I'm joining the values into a single string. The implode function in PHP is used to join the elements of an array into a single string. Okay, in the final step, I return the OTP string. Now I call the function to get the OTP string from the $_post array. So, this function converts the separate values of the OTP code into a string. In fact, at this step, we can use the $OTP string variable and compare the OTP code entered by the user with the value in the database, and if the code was correct, we can activate this user's account. But I do not intend to do this in this video. My goal was just to show how to handle such inputs in the backend. Here, I just define a message so we can see the function's application. Let's check the outputs. Well, this is the OTP code converted by our function. As you can see, we easily converted the code that was separate into a string and arranged them in order. Now, I want to show you a before and after of the OTP code. This is the original code that is sent to the backend from HTML. And this is the code that has been converted by the function. It's better to say that we converted an array with 6 variables into a string. If this video was helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to hit the like button. To stay connected and receive updates on my latest content, please subscribe and activate notifications. Your thoughts and feedback are valuable, so feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for your time, and I hope you found this video beneficial.
Because I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.